Now that we've finished the table, we're going to enter two more types of information into our results section. The first one is going to be a pie chart, and the second one is going to be a column chart. There are other types, but you can do them on your own. These work in exactly the same way, but I just want to show you two different styles. So the first thing we do is we find where we want to enter it, and we click where we want to place our chart, and we click the Enter key. So we've got a little bit of extra space there to work with. We now go back over to our Google Forms that we used to collect our data on. So we've got our questionnaire here, and we click on the Responses button. From the Responses button, we click on this little green cross over here, which opens it up in Google Sheets. Now, this is a very convoluted way of doing it, but unfortunately, it's the only way to do it. So we're going to come over here, and we are going to look at column L, which is the Internet browser. So I'm going to highlight that column. Okay. I'm going to come up here to Insert, and I'm going to click Chart. Now, this should come up, and the type of chart I want is a pie chart. Right, so now I've done that, and I click Close. Now I'm going to resize this just so I can work with it a little bit, and I'm going to click these three dots on the side, and I'm going to Save Image. Now this will save the chart image to wherever it is that my download box. Maybe it's on the desktop, maybe it's in a special folder. Here I've got mine saved to downloads. So I'm going to come back here, and I can see that this is chart 1 PNG, and I'm going to click my arrow here, and now I'm going to come back and I'm going to say Insert, Picture, from File, and that takes me to where I want to be. So I've just inserted my picture. Unfortunately, this is the only way to do this. So I'm going to now title it Figure 1, and this is Internet Browser. Okay, and there is my first chart entered in. Now I'm going to enter a second one, and this time we're just going to click on that, and we'll delete it because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to look at, let's see, what should I look at over here? How useful the program was. So again, I highlight it, I insert a chart, and this time I want it tells me I should do a histogram, but I don't want to do that. I want to do a column. Ooh, I don't like that. It's too busy. So we're going to go back to the histogram, and this is something that you need to take a look at while you're doing your charts. You want to see how busy they are. Is it very difficult for you to read that information? So we're going to click on, again, Save Image. It's downloaded it to my paper where I want it. Come back to my paper, go into Insert, Insert a Picture, Picture from File. This is chart number 2. And there we have it. And I'm going to click Enter again, and I'm going to give us the title, Figure 2. And this is, we'll call it Usefulness of Links. And there we have entered two different chart types. There are many more. You can play with them and experiment and work with them as you see fit.